The first Griffon armored vehicle was assembled in Belgium as part of the large-scale CaMo, Capacité Motorisée, program initiated between France and Belgium. This event confirmed the importance of cooperation between the two countries in the defense sector, as stated by Alexandre Dupuy, Director of System Activities at the French company KNDS, during hearings at the French National Assembly. As part of the program, Belgium is set to receive 382 Griffon vehicles, which will be assembled at a new facility in Steden. These armored vehicles, intended for military units, will undergo a full cycle of assembly, painting, testing, and finalization. French company KNDS, formerly known as Nexter, contracted MOL CY, a Belgian manufacturer specializing in transport equipment and metallurgy. MOL CY was chosen for the project due to its capacity to expand production and localize armored vehicle assembly. At the new facility, Belgian personnel will receive training and actively participate in the assembly process, with technical support from French experts. The CaMo program not only covers armored vehicle production but also addresses critical aspects of operational integration. The mass assembly of the Griffons in Belgium is expected to begin soon, with the vehicles expected to be delivered to the Belgian army in the near future. Moreover, discussions are underway about the potential involvement of Luxembourg and Ireland in the project, which would enhance coordination and strengthen the defense capabilities of the participating countries. The CaMo program aims to create a unified structure for the French and Belgian armies, ensuring maximum compatibility of equipment, armaments, and command systems. As part of the program, a common standard for the Scorpion Combat Information System, SICS, will be implemented, allowing real-time data exchange between the armies and coordination of command. The main goal is to achieve full operational interoperability through the formation of joint tactical subgroups, which will open new opportunities for coordinated operations between the two armies on the battlefield. The assembly and testing of the armored vehicles will be carried out according to high standards of safety and effectiveness. Specifically, the Griffon vehicles meet STANAG 4569 Level 4 protection, capable of withstanding armor-piercing rounds, artillery shell fragments, and mine blasts. In addition to standard troop transport versions, specialized models such as medical evacuation vehicles and those armed with mortar systems will be included. Each version is designed with specific tasks in mind, maximizing their effectiveness in different combat scenarios.